This thing was on, wasn't it? I hope so.
Hi, my name's Andy Crutchfield, and I'm the Vice President of Georgia Chapter 15, Pooler, Georgia, of the Red Knights Motorcycle Club. We are a 501c3 nonprofit motorcycle club dedicated to the motorcycle community to promote safety and community involvement. Every year, the Red Knights pick a local organization to foster in hopes of assisting in the areas of fundraising, drawing local public attention to, and providing a fun, safe, loving event for the awarded group to participate in. The Red Knights Motorcycle Club, Georgia Chapter 15, has been doing this for 11 years now, and our event is always scheduled for the last Sunday in April.
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
As always, we partnered with the local chapter of the Christian Motorcycle Association, or CMA, for the start of the ride.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
This year, the ride started at the Harley-Davidson in Savannah, Georgia, at Highway 204 and I-95.
But I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry.
Then on to a leisurely 105-mile ride through the mossy, tree-covered back roads of southeast Georgia.
So time, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run.
And coming to an end at the Mellow Mushroom in Pooler, Georgia on Pooler Parkway. RKMC and the Mellow Mushroom have enjoyed their partnership for over 3 years now.
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're river's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So if you missed the ride event for 2019, be sure to mark us on your calendar for 2020. Until then, keep your bike upright and safe travels.
When we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.